Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to see chats with someone who blocked you on Snapchat. If we clicked right here on our Snapchat and we went to our chat, right, and let's say for example you wanted to click the three dots right here, maybe try to start a new chat, or maybe click the search bar at the top left and you try to look for that person, and you probably won't find him because he blocked you. So how do we get access to their chats? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just get back to the camera and click on your Bitmoji at the top left, and from here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the settings, scroll a little bit down till you find the my data, and here you're gonna see it at the my privacy control, the data, my data. Click on it, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just wait it out for a few moments right here, and we're gonna wait until the website is uploaded, and just enter your username or email and password right here. And I'm gonna just go ahead and add the the email, or sorry, the username or the email, okay, and just go ahead and hit next right here. Basically add the password for your own Snapchat. Move along to the next step, and basically what's gonna happen is you gotta just move along to the next step. Let me just wait it out for about a few moments right here. Let me just wait, and as you can see right here, it says that available for download, and you're gonna see right here the chat history. Just uncheck mark all of those if you don't want them. All right, and just go ahead and focus on the the chat. All right, let me just get back to Spotlight. Sorry, user information, Spotlight, this one and this one and this one, and just keep it on chat history. Move along to the next step and just hit submit, and you're gonna be able to get it within a few hours, or maybe a few days. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.